In this tutorial, we have to learn how to create a password protected document, PDF document or docx document, Word document. Okay, we have to know how to insert watermark into a document file, how to create a password protected document, and how to convert a Word document into PDF document. Now I open a document, go to page layout, go to watermark, then choose any template. For example, I choose this. Okay, then the watermark will show. Then if you want to customize this watermark, go to watermark, then go to custom watermark, then choose the text which you want. For example, here I give my name, and you can change the font also, font and language also. Okay, then okay, and also you can give an image as a watermark. Now go to watermark and custom watermark, then choose picture watermark and select a picture, then choose any picture. Okay, then how to create a password protected document. Open a document, go to file and choose save as. Here put a name, and go to tools option and choose general option. Here put a keyword and choose read only recommended, then okay, it will ask this password again, 123, 123, then okay, then now save. So I close this document. Here ABCD the document. When I open this document, it will ask password. If I don't know the password, I couldn't open this document. Now I put password here. Then only the document will open. Okay, then how to convert this Word file into PDF? Go to file and save as, put a file name and choose save as type PDF. Okay, and if you want to view password, go to general options and put a keyword, then okay, then save. Thanks for watching. We will meet with another tutorial.